Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm sharing with you my chocolate buttercream recipe. I will show you the base recipe. This way you can flavor it as you like. To start, I like to use a combination of butter and vegetable shortening or all butter, so feel free to substitute for what you prefer for this step. Once I have the butter and shortening in my mixer, I like to cream the mixture until my butter looks white and the mixture is fluffy. I do this step for approximately 5 minutes. And I'm so sorry that it's super shaky. I just realized this after filming this recipe, but I really still want to share it with you. Then I add a total of 4 cups of confectioner's sugar, also known as icing sugar, but I like to add the sugar 1 cup at a time, simply so that I don't make a mess all over my counter. Once you've added all the sugar, you will notice that your mixture looks a little bit grainy. So for liquid, I like to use whipping cream so my frosting is a little bit fluffier, but you can definitely use milk. Also, when adding liquid, it's easier to add less than to add more. So for liquid, I like to add 1 tablespoon at a time and then decide if I need the whole 4 tablespoons. And also, don't forget to add a pinch of salt to offset the sweetness of your frosting. After I've added all of my ingredients, I'm going to beat the mixture for approximately 10 or 12 minutes to give all ingredients time to incorporate. And don't forget to scrape your bowl in between the time that you're mixing your ingredients, because a lot of the times what happens is you'll have sugar at the bottom of your bowl or butter stuck to the edges of your bowl. So make sure you do that. Here's how your buttercream base will turn out. You can definitely add flavorings to adjust it to your cake or flavor of choice. Your base will definitely be very easy to work with and should be very soft when you run your little spatula or a knife into it. And after this point is when you start to add the flavorings. So in the next part, I'm going to show you what I add to this base to make my chocolate frosting. For my chocolate frosting, I like to add to the base 1/4 cup of dark Hershey's cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips melted in the microwave. I take these chips and melt them in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. And this is a mixture of regular milk chocolate and dark chocolate. And here's how my chocolate frosting turns out. It's also very easy to work with, and it's also very fluffy due to the whipping cream. Thank you so much for watching my buttercream tutorial. Please let me know if you do have any questions in the comments below, and let me know if you tried this recipe and if you added a different flavor. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!